In this video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy A16. Press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Mobile is shut down. Now press the power button and volume up button. Release the power button until logo appear. As you can see, Android recovery menu is opened. You can navigate in this menu by using power button. When you press volume down button, it will go down, and when you press volume up button, it will go up. So I will simply go down to wipe data factory reset. Now to select this option, press the power button. Again I will go down and press the power button. As you can see here, data wipe is completed. Now again press the power button to reboot the system. So this is how you can hard reset Samsung Galaxy A16. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.